Yeah, research methodology and statistics.
Mm-hmm.
But we have the notes of what he taught,
Okay, okay. You just,
not the
yeah, I
full
think
book.
whatever notes you are having, I think which will that will cover the syllabus. You just
Yeah.
check once
Uh,
because our time it was not there. This is new actually, statistical methods. But I think with that textbook only that is enough. I was actually searching, but I forgot the name of the books. So otherwise, I
yeah.
would have mentioned like what books to refer for that topic. But I think you will remember. Just find out what book it is. 2 to 3 books are used to follow. No, I think that is enough.
Yeah. Okay.
And also
And
there are aquaculture. Aquaculture is another new thing. I had given it in the list, like which book you have to refer. One book is that Handbook of Agricultural Engineering, and another online material from aquaculture website. In the
okay.
website that I had given. So that is sufficient for to cover, because definitely you will get one question from aquaculture, be it 5 mark or 10 marks. 15 marks I do not know, but definitely there will be 1 10 marks or 5 marks question from the that aquaculture portion. For that you can refer that, and there will be some other topics like fuzzy logic and all those things, for which I mean, for whichever topic you don't have the textbook, you can make your notes from the internet. Okay, but make sure that it is some authenticated site, and but you can have your own notes and be ready with it.
Okay. And this
But
time also we
yeah.
also have modeling questions related to modeling and artificial intelligence, robotics,
Okay,
and those things are also there.
okay.
In each unit, they have given like these topics. At the end of each unit, we are having something related to modeling or AI. So which will be new for most of us.
Okay,
So
see,
how to answer these questions?
question, there will not be ARS question paper. If you have appeared one time and you come out, you will say the question paper will be very simple, very 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 simple. Okay, but how you present your answer actually matters. Okay, so even if the topic is very simple, you means you answer it in a answer it like a scientist. Okay, not, not the answer should not be in the undergraduation level, at least up to the master's level. So that is why I'm telling this notes preparation is very important. For the same topic, how you answer will be different from another, the other person. Okay, so for this, for whatever topic which you are telling robotics, you just say think that if this question is asked, how in what how in a how advanced way that I can represent my answer. So that is how you should prepare your answer
Okay.
and make your notes. Okay, if this is asked, I will write this.
Okay.
And no note should be in such a way that you will be able to complete it in 2 to 3 minutes.
Okay. Uh,
Actually, this time I feel that during our time only, I felt that the question paper it was like it will take, normally it will take 3 4.5 hours to complete, which we were asked to complete in 3 hours. But seeing this new changed pattern, I'm feeling like it will require 5 hours.
yeah.
Okay, but the challenge is to complete it in within 3 hours.
Within three
Whoever
hours.
will crack that, complete the paper, they will have high chance of getting shortlisted for interview. And the
So the
interview,
idea is that we should cover the entire like booklet. We
yes,
should write everything.
yes. You cannot exclude any question.
Okay.
Even if you leave out 1 2 answers, I will say it matters, because last time one of my classmates, like last time, like I also gave like whatever I'm saying now, I gave the same tips to them also. Out of three, two cleared, but the third one, he said that he left 1 2 questions, but his publications everything was like outstanding. But still, this written examination marks will actually matter, because in interview and other thing, there will not be much difference among the candidates.
Okay.
Okay, interview and all just for namesake only. You have to give your best, but that won't make any difference. Suppose if, for example, if you are being the worst performer in the interview and out of 40 you are getting 35, but if your written examination is you have scored high marks, you don't have to worry about it.
Okay.
Okay, and you are getting 40 out of 40 in interview, but you lost and you did not even attempt to 10 marks or 2 15 marks question, then there is no meaning.
Okay. And this is a very basic question only. Can we use calculator in the examination?
Yeah, why not?
Okay. Okay, then fine.
Yeah.
Um, and anybody else is having any other questions? Dr. Shweta, Dr. Indu, Dr. Baki Nisha, Dr. Shruti. Do you have any other questions?
I think I know everybody. Hi Indu, hi
Yeah.
Bhagya, hi Shweta. This Shruti, maybe if I see the face, I can say whether, but otherwise I know all others.
And there is some questions from Bhaginisha.
Ha
So,
Nisha.
Bhaginisha, she is, I think she is traveling, so I'm asking on behalf of her.
Mm-hmm.
Um, she has applied for dairy and food tech both.
Okay,
So here in food tech she doesn't have category post, and in dairy tech she's having category post. So
okay.
she's asking which I can which for which post I can write. So which will be like good to write.
Okay, see, you should choose the area where you're confident about, like subject wise, syllabus wise, I'm saying. In whichever subject you have prepared yourself well, you better appear in that. Don't worry about the vacancy, because why I'm telling you, even if there are so many vacancies, but you're not giving your best, you will not even get selected. Okay, if you don't clear that minimum cutoff mark, you will not be selected. So the number of vacancies, again I'm telling you, for anybody, it doesn't matter. In whichever subject you are confident about, you appear in it. Okay,
Okay.
forget about the number of vacancies. Again I'm telling you, forget about it. Even if there is only one single seat, and if your preparation was good, there is nothing harm in appearing in it.
Okay.
Okay, so she should know like which syllabus she followed. And see,
Wherever
if you
she is
have
confident,
yes,
she has
yes,
to
yes,
attend.
wherever she have completed the syllabus, there she can appear. If you are, see, two three things. If you have completed the syllabus and you are confident, like whatever is asked, you'll be able to write something on any topic from the syllabus. And if you are able to complete the exam in 3 hours, this is more than enough.
Okay.
This will happen only with practice. So you have to practice a lot with writing.
Okay. The key point is to practice.
Yes, practice. And also see, if in internet, if you see some YouTube videos, there were some YouTube videos also where they had given some previous year question papers. Okay, previous year question papers. From that you can understand like how the questions been asked, and you can use those question papers for preparing notes. Okay,
Okay.
in that way, just you will have the practice of writing. So if you get the previous year's question paper, just prepare a set of notes for that question paper and keep. So that will help you with the practice of writing also. And most of the times, if the question gets repeated also, it will be easier.
Okay.
So have you all have completed the syllabus? Syllabus?
I hope no.
No, then there is no scope. Then I'm telling you.
Yeah. Because all are in working somewhere, and
Yes. No, 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 I understand. Then you should have started preparing
yeah, I'm
your
sure.
preparation before 5 months only. Only then it's possible.
So within this 15 days, how much we are preparing and how much effort we are giving, that will count.
This 15 days is only for revision actually. You should have
Yeah.
all had your notes ready. Then this 15 days will be sufficient for revision. Otherwise, no, if you don't spend or invest that 15 days in revision, whatever you have prepared will go waste.
Yeah. Yeah. That's true.
Mm.
So can I share this PPT
Sure, sure,
of
sure.
the? Okay. Okay. Then I will share the PPT to all the participants.
Yeah.
So any other questions?
For some answers, you can even give reference of some research article. This all should also be there in your notes, but don't concentrate much on that now. If you get any extra time, make the basic notes with the standard format that I had given. After all that, after completing the syllabus, if you still get some time, then keep adding some extra points to enrich your each answer. But I don't think right now you people have that much time. But suppose if not this time, at least next time, you can keep enriching your notes
Okay.
by giving some recent reference from a research paper. You can even take names of some scientists. So that will all show the evaluator that how much updated you are.
Okay. So about numericals,
Mm-hmm.
like how much weightage it will have,
See,
because most of
numeric.
us are like numericals. We usually skip the numericals since there is
No, no,
no
no, no,
choice
no,
in
no,
this.
no, no. I'm
Uh,
telling no. Here, actually, um, how I can say, last time there was, during our time, there was one question from heat exchanger, one numerical from, what is that, refrigeration, something like you cannot skip anything. Just, if you leave 115 mark, gone. 15 is a very huge mark.
yeah.
Okay. So you cannot skip anything. Just thoroughly revise. See, simplest thing is thoroughly revise each and every numerical from Singhan Sahai, A. Chakravarti, and Damsania. That is enough.
Okay.
In that book also, you don't have to look for all the and I had given for numericals. I had given another book also. I think solving food engineering. And I forgot the name of the book. It is there in the list. Last slide, if you see. Next numericals. Next one. On this one, solving problems in food engineering by Stavros. That book. Okay, just practice all the problems from these four books. That is enough.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Then I hope I have asked most of the questions, but any other questions if you want to ask, other participants can ask. Now, like five
See,
minutes, we can give
yeah.
for.
See, written examination is concerned time management. If you have managed the time, you have cracked the exam. I would say it's not easy, but if you can do it, it is done.
Okay. Any other questions? Dr. Indumati, Dr. Shweta, Dr.
Don't.
Shruti. Ah,
Can we get any previous year question paper? It is available in YouTube actually.
uh, any channel name?
No, no. In YouTube, like there was one video from one of the scientists from NDRA, I guess.
Okay.
I'll see. I'll search that link and I will, because I will share it with you, Priya. Then you can share
Ah,
it with others.
yeah, sure,
Okay. There
sure.
were some question papers of 14 and 17. Like, see, usually this question paper, how we get is like the scientists were appeared for the exam. After coming back from exam, like we should remember and we write it down. I also had actually written down, but somehow I missed that paper or wherever. Otherwise, no. It will definitely give some idea, but even my question paper will not be useful for you because now the pattern had changed. But you definitely you can have some idea like how it's been asked. You can compare that with the syllabus, like from the syllabus how they are asking question. So in that way, it will be helpful.
Okay.
Okay, so if I get in between, if I get any question papers from, I have asked some of my juniors also. So if I get, I will share it with you.
Okay. Then I will share it with other participants also.
Yeah.
So I hope um, all are clear about the examination now. I hope there are no further questions. So thank you, Dr. Shivashankari, for spending
Thank you.
time with us and for clearly explaining everything. Now we have the like exact idea of how to prepare and how to revise and everything. So thank you so much for giving this much clear idea of the examination. Um, so I hope all participants are benefited from this webinar. So if the participants require any webinar, like similar webinar, you can mail us, and I hope all are familiar with our mail IDs. You can mail us so that we can make more webinars like this, and we can make an interactive session. And you can also please give us the feedback to our mail so that we can improve ourselves. So thank you, Dr. Shivashankari, and thank you all the participants for presenting in this seminar. Thank you.
Thank you, Priya. Thank you, Sadhana.